What's going on, guys? Decelation and Brian.
Finally, after we pan over. What's going on, peeps?
Well, today we are back on this lovely shop that we're dealing with now. That, oh my goodness, we gotta clear all this up. Why is that, Brian?
Well, let's just say what number carried 2 squared, yeah, whatever, one of those other cars up there, Masha broke it. So we have to fix it before we sell it.
Unintentionally. Yeah, so the Equus, the rear air shocks, they went, now it's squatted. Like one of those...
So yeah, Carolina squat. You guys want a Carolina squat Equus, let us know, we got one for you.
Yeah, no, so we got to fix that. But in order to fix that, we need space, because literally it's going to be gone in a couple weeks. So I need to fix it before it's gone. Which means all of this right here, well, that's pretty good. This stuff, all this needs to get cleared out so we can have this car and the Equus in it while we fix the Equus.
Fun and excitement.
I don't believe it. I don't believe you.
That was the most reassuring I could get there. Most enthusiasm I could spit out this early.
Well, so without further ado, time for us to clean. What's going on, guys? We're back.
What's up, peeps?
So what do we do?
Well, we kind of organized all the crap that was in the trailer from the old garage.
Yeah.
Some other random stuff. We had some stuff going to the house. But yeah, we got most of it on the shelves.
Yeah.
What we didn't put up there was like the box of old LS parts. So we haven't figured out what to do with. And the stuff under the blanket, there was a box that had all of my previous iterations of radiator hose in there. And the box fell apart and all that stuff fell in there. So I was like, we'll just push that over there. And neither of us wanted to deal with the implements of destruction box. So we'll just leave that there.
Yeah, we'll get to that one in a minute.
But
yeah,
we got floor space back again.
Look at this. Woo! Floor space. And those moving boxes or hopefully someone's gonna pick them up. This is the cart we're referring to that has a bunch of free stuff. So yeah. That call about a wrap.
Yeah, I call that one a wrap. It's a little warm outside and it's about to start thunderstorming, so.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into some shelter. But
very packed shelves over there.
Yeah.
Looking good, looking good.
But thank you guys for watching this. Soon, the next video, we're actually going to be working on something.
Yes, next video we'll be working on something, not putting stuff on shelves.
Yeah, we're actually going to be working on a vehicle. Thank God. I know. Back to the car content. I know you guys are happy, but thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, I hope you don't, because we're trying to stop the shop organization. Yeah, this isn't our gig.
There will definitely not be a B-roll camera for shop organization videos.
Yeah, no.
None of that ASMR moving stuff on the shelves thing. Nope.
No, that's not our content. But thank you guys anyway for watching. We appreciate the guys and gals that have been still sticking with us. Thank you. Next video, we're back on cars. All right, have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.